The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yes, I'm looking at some girls down here and I can't even tell you what they're wearing. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me, madam. You're not a guest here, so you have to leave.
Are you a guest?
No, but
So why don't you leave? Confusion. Confusion of the land.
Look, lady, I work here. You don't. I am not a guest or an authorized visitor, so you have to leave.
Leave? I shall not be moved. I am here to perform a sacred duty.
Your mother, you're crazy, lady. You can't, Tanya. No vendors, visitors, or other non-guests are allowed here.
Now here says the section with the naked people them.
Yes, and you...
And you are protecting them. I rebuke you. It's you and the naked people them I come to mission to. Naked is nasty. And nastiness leads to confusion. I'm on a mission to find the frock and wear it. The Lord of Clothes has sent me on a coveration mission to cover up the naked nastiness. In the name of the...
Look here, lady. I'm going to have to physically move you. Look.
Don't touch me with your nakedness. Don't you dare touch the Lord's anointed, you sinful reprobate. Confusion!
Breaker, come in control. Come in control. This is Edwards at the Nude Beach requesting backup assistance with a trespasser. Confusion! Come in, base!
Nastiness!
Come in control.
Confusion!
Come in, I said come in control.
I rebuke you!
I rebuke you!
I rebuke you!
Come in control. Come in control.
Oh,
Control.
Excuse me. Can I join you?
Yes, but only if you join me in a different suit.
Yeah.
Birthday suit. Yay! Yay!
Control. Control. Control.
Yes, me I tell the town people they are Hanover. You see me I carry the item fancy thing around the country. I will stop on one ear parlor because something about it. The girl were in there, she look. I must check out her. Just look and see me at her. Tell them what your name, babes.
Tracy.
And how for parlor this?
Tracy.
And what the parlor name?
Tracy Beauty Salon.
See there, so everything is all about T. Tracy with 19 T. How for Anya though?
Tash.
Tash. How long this are going, babes?
About 3 years.
You see, it's a T thing. Government know about it?
Yeah.
She pay her tax. Now for $100, I'm going to run a pot. If you have the $100, the boy you da cook with the $100 there?
1 pound of rice and 1 tin of mackerel.
How much of the rice?
$50 a pound.
If you ever the movie star named Denzel Washington, you know?
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, man, because trust me, you're Jamaica Denzel Washington, my star.
For sure, it's a ignorant there everywhere. We're there, so.
Juggling this, you know?
All right, there's a difference between juggling and ignorant.
Yes, the ignorant them around us.
But the ignorant them sit down.
Yeah, and spread out.
And the juggler walk
and hunt it.
If you're there town, you say you're going to market in the busy. Some boy over the market, you're worried. Why the market so empty?
Because nobody not coming in yet.
No, man, food are somewhere people selling. Why the markets are empty?
Tell you, sir.
So what you have a sell? I look like you have about 3 stalls in here. But then I open them have $100 more run a pot. If you have the $100 and nothing else, or where you da cook with it and how you da bless it?
If I piece of chicken back in and some flour, you know.
Post the chicken back for $120 a pound.
No, I'm not buy it.
Then where you da cook?
Where's you know? Get piece of red in and sitting. You understand? I get a tin boom or something. And all right, everything lock. You know the way there.
So you see it? Man now make hungry kill him have $100. Where you gonna do a tin what?
A tin boom.
And what?
Piece of flour, piece of bread.
I can't find nobody to teach me overcoat Dokuno.
Dokuno?
Nobody.
Then that's not too bad, man, if you can't find anybody.
Someone feel me find the right person.
I am not quite sure, so Dokuno, you mean the blue dress?
That is it. It's someone cook it and carrot, go London Olympics, go sell it to Usain Bolt friend them. So how me cook Dokuno now?
You know, cook, you bake Dokuno.
You bake it?
Yeah, man, you bake Dokuno like flour, knead up and bake it.
Oh, like so I learn me try to learn me cooking now. So like one way you put. And them say come at the shop, I ask him Monica, aka Stretch Day.
Dollar.
The greater the green banana.
That's right.
You know, peel it or anything.
Yes, you have to peel it.
You ever take time with me? Come here and learn, so you ever take time with me.
You got flour, nutmeg and baking powder.
Nutmeg?
Yeah, baking powder, nutmeg and them things you put nice.
And where do you mix it what? Where?
Mix it up.
Grate the coconut.
You know, break it now, nothing.
Broke the coconut.
That more, yeah.
Oh, you break the coconut.
Yeah.
Grate the coconut.
Yeah.
Juice the coconut.
You juice it.
Yes.
Nutmeg flour.
Sugar. Yeah, salt and then something. Yeah, and something you put in it, you know.
And how it done? You bake it, cook it in a pot with water, what?
Pour it in.
Pour it in a what? In a what?
In a the banana leaf.
Oh, in a banana leaf?
Banana leaf.
You never tell me the banana leaf, man.
Yes, you have to cut the banana leaf and quail it.
Quail like what? Quail me like fry?
Yeah. No, quail the banana leaf.
Quail me like fry?
No.
I don't know what quail mean.
Just put it over the fire like eat like this.
Yeah.
You have to get the banana bark too.
Banana bark.
To tie them.
Like soup piece tie or just tie?
No, tie.
Not soup piece kind of tie?
No. And you roll it up and tie it.
And tie it?
Tie it.
Tie it.
And put it in the boiling water.
Boiling water?
At Blue Jaws.
Blue Jaws?
Blue Jaws.
London, we're gone.
Blue Jaws.
London, we're gone.
Oh, you mean
Olympics. Look here, IT, alongside Stretch Dollar, the gold medal winner of Blue Jaws cooking.
Yes.
We're going to eat it.
Huh?
We're going to eat it.
Who they going to eat it?
Yeah.
All who want it, eat it. Eat that Blue Jaws.
It's pretty nice. London, we're coming, eh? Give me an English accent. It's pretty nice, London.
It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice for the Blue Jaws. Blue Jaws.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. Yeah. But not see no much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright. Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.